Glacian TCG here with a 6-pack Power Box Thunder Edition for you guys. I kind of love these things, but I don't really recommend them that much. I love these because of the last time I got like a couple ultra rares from these. So a promo card is a Ash Pikachu. Okay. We got Lost Thunder, Sun and Moon Base, Breakpoint, another Lost Thunder, Fates Collide, and Sun and Moon Guardians Rising. So, let's start with Breakpoint, then Fates, then Sun and Moon, then we're gonna save Lost Thunder for last. Here you guys go. Cool card. We got Gibble, Staryu with a free retreat, Scroopy, Pillow, Pancham, Reverse Valley, Electivire, Splash Energy, Reverse Hollow Scroopy, and our rare Thorn. Now for Fates Collide. Here you guys go. Fates Collide call for you guys. We got a Snubbull, Pinnacle, Bronzor, Burmy, Carbink, Shauna, Ultra Ball, Kabuto. We got a Delphox Break, and Kabutops. Let me just pull it. This is a perfect sleeve. Now time for Sun and Moon Base. Let's try to get the Secret Rare Ultra Ball. Come on, camera, focus. There we go. We got the best EV around. Stuffle, Linton, Torkoal, Yungoos, Nestball, Red, Pepper Kukui, Reverse Poplio, and Primarina GX. So far we got 2 ultra rares so far. Hope we can get a Tapu Lele in this pack for the Secret Rare DCE. The either or. Ooh, we got something here, guys. It's a full or better. Beldum, Helioptile, Phantom with a Mimikyu in the background, Stuffle, Wilmer, Alomola, Beware of Beware, Berkeley Hill, Pugler Reverse, And Sylveon full art. This is such a lovely card. With the pink and blues. I love it. Now, then we got 3 ultra rares. We get more, and that's just icing on the cake. Here guys go. There we go, sorry for that. We got a Brock's Fish, Larvitar, Carbink, Chikorita, Scyther, Lemon Drug Trio, Elm Lecture, Mina, Serenia's Prism Star, and Coffee Gregas. Man, we're getting some hits here. I think this has been reopened. Let me okay, normally the code card is in the back. I think this has been resealed, I think. Let me just check. Off camera. That's just weird. The whole pack was backwards, kind of. Alolan Vulpix, Snubbull, Marini, Cyndaquil, Electabuzz, Spelltag, Cascoon, Purple, Annoying Whitney, Roll Out, Roll Out, Roll Out, a Lantern. So we 4 hits are in this power box. Normal GX, Fuller GX, Prism Star, and a break. If you enjoyed this video, give me a like. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe to Glaceon TCG.